Let's learn how to see Story Archive in Facebook. You may want to save, see, or remember some old story you post on your Facebook account. But you don't know how to find Story Archive? Don't worry, I'm here to show you most simple way. How can you access Story Archive? Just follow my steps along. Method is same for both iOS and Android devices. Now let us start by opening your Facebook app. From Facebook starting page, go to your profile by taping in these 3 horizontal lines in bottom right corner. When your profile page loads, search for option icon in top right corner and click it. This will lead you to settings and privacy page with bunch of options that we don't need now. What you want to do is to scroll down until you find activity log option and enter there. After that, you will see activity log screen with just too much text that no one care to read about. Tap this mailbox icon where writes archive, and that will open archive page with many old stuff. In this case, we want to see Story Archive. So let's tap it. It's the first one in a row with backwards clock icon. Now you reached your Story Archive. Here will be shown and listed every single story you posted since creation of account. You can also save this stories to your gallery, or delete it if you don't want to look at it anymore, and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.